Hello everyone, this is Khokon from Khokon Times, and this area is in Srinagar, Munshiganj. You see the ruler working to level the soil for the construction of rail line. You see the side view, a lorry is passing by. You see the condition, the area of construction. In Bangladesh, the largest bridge Podda is being constructed over the mighty river Podda. You see the rail line construction work continuous. A ruler is leveling the soil, and I am here to capture the video footage. You see it, very powerful machine it is. Here in this video I will show you the work procedure of the roller machine. You see the roller machine, the two big wheels and a roller. These three wheels are giving pressure on the soil, and thus the soil is being leveled. You see the driver inside the car. In the back side of the roller you see a local home. You see the green trees and the sky, cloudy sky. The wheels are moving and the soil is being leveled. Here you see another construction vehicle. It is just resting. Maybe the driver of the vehicle has gone for rest. There you see another man standing and observing the construction work. It is really wonderful, and people around like watching this type of vehicles. I can remember when I was a little boy, in our village, in different times different vehicles could come, and sometimes we saw excavator. Frequently we saw that, because the highway that goes by the side of our village was being constructed then, and we enjoyed the excavator work, the roller work. We were enjoying. We see in the village people gather around any construction site. People love watching construction vehicles, the very technique of the construction vehicles. People love watching them. So I am making this video for people who love construction vehicles. From my channel you see every day, almost every day, I upload different videos. You see the wheel, very powerful wheel of the roller. You see that. For the vehicle lovers, I produce videos, and expect you will subscribe my channel to regularly view, to regularly enjoy the videos, such kind of videos. You subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, you can get different new construction videos, construction vehicles every day. To remain updated, to get updated videos, you must subscribe my channel. Here you see the ruler is taking its position for rest. So I will focus on this one, XCMG. This small ruler is also working. Here you see a man walking by is maintaining the ruler. You see, this is a small ruler. Here you see a Bangladeshi worker is maintaining the ruler. You see again the big construction vehicle. Its name I have already forgotten, but sorry to say, it may be okay. I don't know the name. You must know the name of this vehicle. If you know, you must mention in the comment box. And if you have curiosity to know the name of this construction vehicle, you also must comment, and then I will look about it on Google and I will answer your question, inshallah. This is also taking place to rest for some time. Here I'm going to end the video. I hope you enjoyed it and hope you will stay with me. Thank you so much.